People are so kind and so true, and no matter where I roam, I am always going home. Donegal, I'm coming home to you. Oh, I've sailed on the tide, I've climbed the mountainside, I've traveled the east and the west, but no matter where I roam, I am always going home. Donegal, I love you still the best. I remember the day when I went so far away. I bade a fond farewell with a tear in my eye. I said goodbye, saying to my darling I'll return again. With my life sails unfurled, I've traveled the world. Many's a grand scene I recall, but the sweetest of these, to my mind to please, is wandering through my native Donegal. I've traveled all around by Letterkenny town to Buncrana on the native foil, and all along the Ross's shores, in lovely green Redor, Bundoran in the good old summertime. And the wee birds did sing, their mellow notes did ring, each tender voice I recall. Ah, but when the world I've seen, I'm going back to the Isle of Green, back home to my native Donegal. Sure, I've sailed on the tide, I've climbed the mountainside, I've traveled the east and the west, but no